Boyue is still at it under the name Meebook for 2022, and they just rounded off their entire lineup by releasing the Meebook P6. Yes, first there was the Boyue P6, and then the Lemon Reed, which was a white label, and now we have the Meebook P6. This, in fact, is an Android 8.1 6-inch device with an SD card slot and 16 gigs of onboard storage, and it also comes with a free case. So you get a sleeve on the outside, like most of the Meebook products, and you can slide down like that, and you have the barcode on the back. You do have a foam insert, although the rest of the box is pretty unimpressive, no designs or anything like that. Flipping that out, put that off to the side for now. Meebook and Boyue in the later generations of the P line, P10, P7, P6, they have gone down to a more economical standpoint. So the boxes are going to be less impressive. The materials of the packaging are just going to be passive because they're really focusing on getting the price down as much as possible, but still delivering you things that have Google Play and SD cards and all that kind of stuff. You do have a USB cable in there and your quick start guide, which they still didn't change after our both instruction and suggestions and all the videos we do. So let's crack this open and see if this please have some sort of design on the back. Something, Argyle or something. It does not. But you know, it kinda does in a way. It's ever so subtly beveled, which means it kind of curls around the edge. So it's not quite as cookie cutter as you might seem, and you know there is a little bit of a chiseled off angle here on the side, so that's kind of nice, but pretty much it's business as usual. This is a cookie cutter slab, but you do get an SD card slot, which is right at the bottom there. I had to search for it. USB-C, power button on the right, and nothing else, no physical page turn buttons or anything like that. I'm just going to power this on, put this off to the side, because you get a free case. I don't know what kind of case this is going to be. I'm pretty sure it's just one of those standard gel cases, but let's check it out all the same. Oh, it is not. Well, the inside might be gel, but this looks like it is some sort of faux leather. So let's go ahead and snap this open, like so. So you do get a leather sleep cover. And the tray is not gel either. Sometimes the tray will be a silicone. This one is not. It does feel like this is just going to snap in, which it does very nicely. That's a very nice complete package right there. Power button is nicely cut out there for you. There's a little bit of a gap here for the pivot of the machine like that. It does have sleep capabilities as well. As you saw right there, it just went to sleep and woke up respectively. We don't need to see if there's English on it because as I was talking, there's tons of languages. In fact, 3 pages of languages on here. So this is everything that comes in the box with the brand new 2022 Meebook Boyue P6. This is the continuation of the original Boyue P6, except in the Howking Meebook collaboration moving forward. If you guys want to stay tuned for the full review, it is coming up right around the corner. For GoodEreader.com, this is Peter.